In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use issue security levels to restrict sensitive tickets in Jira. If your team handles confidential work, issue security levels are a simple and effective way to control who can view specific tickets inside a project. This is especially useful when you're working with legal information, security incidents, customer data, or internal confidential requests. The goal is to make sure only the right people can access sensitive issues, while everyone else in the project continues working normally. To get started, open Jira and go to your project settings. From there, look for the Issue Security section. This is where you'll manage access restrictions for individual issues. Before moving forward, make sure issue security levels are available for your project. If this feature is already enabled, you're ready to begin creating the levels your team will use. Next, create a new issue security level by selecting the option to add one. Give it a clear, descriptive name that reflects who should have access. For example, you might use names like confidential, management only, or legal review. Choose names that are easy for your team to understand at a glance. Then add a short description explaining who can view issues assigned to that level. This helps avoid confusion later and keeps your security setup consistent. After that, define who can actually view restricted issues. You can add specific users, groups, or project roles depending on how your organization manages access. In most cases, using groups or project roles is easier to maintain over time than assigning individuals one by one, especially if team members change. Once you've added the appropriate access rules, save the security level. Now go back to project settings and open the issue security scheme. This is where you connect your security levels to the project itself. Assign the security levels you created and verify that the correct issue security scheme is active. If the wrong scheme is applied, your levels may not appear when editing issues, so this is an important step to double check. Once the scheme is active, open a Jira issue that needs restricted visibility. Find the security level field and select the appropriate level for that ticket, then save the issue. At this point, the issue should only be visible to the users, groups, or roles allowed by that security level. Finally, test the setup. Log in as a user who should have access and confirm the issue is visible. Then test again with a user who should not have access to verify that the restriction is working properly. Once confirmed, you can confidently use security levels for sensitive work and keep important information visible only to the right audience.